Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make eyes sparkle in Procreate. So I created this cute little character. His eyes are looking pretty dull, so let's give him a little bit of a cute, cartoony glare in his eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick a white. You can also do this with the erase tool if you want to keep your background clear, but I always just use white. And then you want to be on a brush that is circular. So in this case, we're using the monoline brush. So what I'll do is make the size of my brush bigger, and I'm going to add a little dot there. So I want it to be full opacity. So I'm going to give it a good aggressive tap. And then I will lower my line thickness. Oops. And add a little dot there. You can also do this with circles if you don't have, if your brush is not big enough, like say you wanted the glare to be a little bit bigger, then you might create a circle, hold it until it snaps, click your canvas so that it turns into a perfect circle, and then you can either color it in or you can fill it in with your white. And then you could add a second little glare next to it like that. So that's one way to do it. I feel like that's a little bit big. So let's create a smaller circle. And you know what? I'm going to create a new layer to make this easier for myself. I'm going to make my circle, hold it so that it snaps into a shape, and then I'll touch my canvas to make it a perfect circle. And let go of my brush. Then I will fill this color in, and then I'm going to make another small little circle right here and do the same thing. I'll make it a little bit smaller. Actually, I might make it a little bit higher up. Like that. Okay, so now I have my eye glare on one layer. I can duplicate, drag that over. I can duplicate it again. Drag it here and make it a little bit smaller, and then I can duplicate that layer so that it's the right size, bring it over to that eye, and then I'll go back to my first layer, duplicate it, make it smaller again, even smaller, and add it to that eye, and I'll duplicate that layer. You got to be careful if you're duplicating too much because you will lose the integrity of the drawing. But this is just for illustrative purposes. So there you go. And if I turn that layer off, or I'll combine all of those layers into one by pinching them together. And if I turn my layer off, you can see the difference in cuteness. Oh, isn't he cute? So that's how you create a glare in an eye for a cartoon character. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.